H5P interactive exercises. The videos and readers have additional interactive exercises developed especially for this workbook. These are H5P content, which means they should work on a web browser on any modern computer, phone, or tablet. Show students how to do these exercises. There are different types. For example, fill in a blank. You may need to teach new vocabulary like drag and drop. And check. You may need to work with students on manipulating the mouse to click, drag and drop, or scroll. Ask students to show you when they have finished an exercise so you can help check it. Make sure they click check before they finish. Ask them to show you so you can talk about their mistakes. In some of the exercises, they might not understand what mistake they made. Also, demonstrate to students that there may be more than one slide of questions. For example, there may be a right arrow for more questions. I finished this one, but I need to click on the right to find the next question. Some of these questions also have dots on the bottom that show progress through the set of questions. When the dots are empty or gray, there's still work to be done, and when they're filled, the work has been completed. Also, right now, there's no automatic tracking of progress. That means when students close the page or navigate away, their answers are lost. If they're proud of their 9 out of 9 points, let them show you first. When they close that, it's going away and it is not sent to the teacher. It is not saved. We think these exercises offer a lot of opportunity for students to get feedback and additional practice. To get the most out of these interactive exercises, help students find the exercises in the workbook, understand different types of exercises, use the mouse or their touch screens on a phone or tablet to do the exercises. Check their answers and help with feedback when they're finished. Understand that one activity may have several slides of questions, and understand their work will not be saved or sent to the teacher. H5P Interactive Exercises.